Okay, team, we are in big rascal trouble. We launched a new Daniel line product in Aldea, but during the first weeks, we just cannot meet the demand. Production efficiency is still very, very low, and the operational ramp-up isn't fast enough.
Exactly. Look at week number 49. Aldea's maximum theoretical capacity is 937, and saturation rate is 140, and operation efficiency is only 48%, and operation utilization is 57%. So it's completely evolving.
And also, team, if you look at the slides, and it gets worse. As you can see, during week 1, the capacity is only 289 tons, but the demand jumps to 456 tons, creating a 167-ton deficit, which means the saturation is 158%. We simply cannot produce this internally without risking a failure.
If we don't fill these gaps, we will fall deliveries and lose customer shelf space. Our competitors will jump ahead, and the Danone's launch could collapse.
And we still don't know how to produce and where to produce. But how much to outsource, or how to minimize total costs.
If we don't solve this, Danone could lose its leadership forever.
What? What's this? What? What the hell?
Hello, I am a guest from the future, and this moment is crucial for the whole Danone timeline. I'm from the year 2035, and if you didn't solve this decision, Danone will lose all its market presence and lose to their competitors.
Who are you?
I'm a Danone CEO from the future. So, with the help of the supercomputer and time machine, I got a perfect solution for this problem. Let me present it to you. Please give me a play.
What?
Yeah, this is an optimized integrated production plan, combining capacity from Aldea and Ronsalar to fully meet demand without exceeding 100% saturation and minimizing total cost. Let's start with Big 39. Aldea maximum capacity is 937 tons, but due to ramp up, its real capacity is only 257 tons. Demand is 360 tons, creating a 103-ton shortage. Instead of overproduction, we redirect exactly 103 tons to Ronsalar, which has 147-ton free capacity that week.
So we only outsource the free capacity gap, not more.
Exactly! Only the deficit is outsourced, and Ronsalar production is cheaper. Only 600 per ton there, and compared to 650 per ton in Aldea. Even after transportation costs, the transportation costs become only 89 euros per ton, making the total delivery cost around 688 euros per ton, which is still cheaper than losing revenue or failing service. We apply the same logic week by week, week 49, week 50, week 51, and finally week 52. Also, this continue in the new year, in week 1, when 167 tons outsourced. But from the week 2 onwards, we have positive free capacity, so we don't need outsource. So the model is local production first, only overflow outsource, never exceed 100% saturation.
Okay, Akarthaman and Enchanted. So that way we guarantee 100% service level, avoiding shortages and maintaining a market leadership? Is that it?
Because with our analysis, we couldn't receive that numbers.
Oh, of course, because I had to use supercomputer to achieve this great result. Exactly, this strategy. Control cost and use existing assets efficiently.
But how did you know that this was a right strategy? What other factors did you evaluate before making this decision?
Great question. When we built this plan, we set the different and known timelines. We analyzed several key decision criteria to make sure it was the best possible solution, not just operationally, but strategically and sustainably. First, the strategic decision criteria, choosing the most cost-efficient production mix, guaranteeing 100% fulfillment every week, and using full track loads to reduce logistic costs. Then, we evaluate sustainability considerations. Lower carbon emissions by limiting transport only to weeks where overflow exists, and maximizing existing internal capacity rather than building or expanding unnecessary infrastructure. So if you apply this plan now, you change the future. But if you don't, well, you already know what happens. Good luck, gentlemen!
That guy is so weird.
Should we call security? The future isn't written yet, but today we write a new one for Danone.